What is going on, my pimps, players, hustlers, aunties, uncles, cakeys, babies, granddaddy, babies, mama, baby dramas, daddy babies, that's just doing too much. I'm in a good mood. I'm off of work. Work today kicked my butt. Shout out to everybody in the Money Squad. If you're watching this video, appreciate y'all for taking y'all time out to watch this video. Team Late over here, Mr. KO4, back up in this thing. Shout out to everybody for stopping through last week who has the heat. If y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, go check it out. Click on that link in the description box. Yes, I said the description box. I know most people don't do that. And join the team, the family. It's all about the community. We got a new hashtag WAP 90s, WAP Air Max 90. It was a very, very dope show with Sneaker Lady 88 and the bro Luke Kane's Kicks. Also go check them out. Sneaker Lady 88 is on IG, Luke Kane's Kicks is on IG and YouTube. You feel me? Also, don't hesitate to go check out the family members 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. And if you really feel sorry for me, you can smash the subscribe button and check me out over here as well. Like I said, I try to cop all fours, and yes, I got some more fours coming in. The Paris fours is on the way, so stay tuned for that video. And let's get into this video. Hope everybody is doing well, taking care of themselves. Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That's very dear to most people's heart, especially my heart. Got to be very careful. A lot of family members, aunties, grandmas dealt with breast cancer, so please go get your checkups. The earlier you find it, the better it is. That include men too. Prostate cancer, got to go check that too. All right, now enough of my scolding everybody. Now let's get into this review. As you can see, the typical normal boring Jordan box, black gold Jumpman. For some reason in these shoes I gotta go 9.5 PP personal pair, 9.5 Fisher colorway, gem red, black, white. You see you got the QR code, all of that stuff. A lot of people have done videos on this, but let Mr. Team Late do his little video. Let me get my little 5 minutes of fame. Can I do me? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right, as you can see, got your stamper ramp. I bought this before they got to the store. You can see the everything. If you can read Euro, you know how much that is. It is what it is. Should have waited, but you know, sometimes you just gotta pull the trigger. 23 paper, this, that, and the other. And I like these joints here. These are fire. Everybody knows red is my favorite color. So bam, here we are. The Jordan 1 low reverse Bred. You dig? You see them? You check it out. Very, very dope and clean shoe in my opinion. Not your opinion, but my opinion. Right? Underneath the bottom, you got that red all hidden right there, right? Coming around on the toe box. You got a little bit of crusty musty right there, but that's okay. You got your red leather right here. Not too bad, a little bit still. You got black on the toe box. You got black lace. I think I'm gonna do a lace swap. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but the homie J Sneaker guy, y'all haven't checked him out. He be doing some serious lace swaps, or got a couple ideas. You see, you got the nylon tongue. You got the red stitching in there. You coming around on the side panel. That is stiff. That's not the greatest of leather. But then you got your red swoosh. You got that stitching on the check right there. Let me see, right here on the sock lining is black, so you ain't got to worry about when you wear those black socks. Got a little bit of fade right there, but you just got to clean it up a little, get a little moisturizer to make it all moist and black, right? Nice. I said, oh man, here we go. Got Air Jordan stitched in on the back of the shoe, right? Like most of the ones, like I said, ones is making a hell of a comeback, especially the lows and the mids for 2020. I don't know, maybe because everybody's sitting at home. So Jordan Brand is fully capitalizing on everybody being at home, and those who working got some bread to spend on some kicks. So come around on the media side, pretty much the same thing. Got a little bit of stuff right there, but other than that, it's just a pretty much reverse Bred colorway in a low. Like I said, you can kind of match this up with a lot of different stuff, but a very, very dope shoe. Is gonna definitely stand out in my opinion. And as you can see, the production date 1/8/20 to 3/14/20. I took the shoe trees. I should have left them in there, but I'll put them back in there. Don't worry about that. The insole, you got black with your red Jumpman on that as well. Like I said, around the sock liner, it is all black. Now, let's see. Let's just get a little real quick spin. And let's see on the little lit meter as we spin these joints around. Price point on these, oh then that's right, because it came from overseas. It didn't have a normally Jordan lows are about 90 bucks, so that's very affordable for a Jordan. So you got to take that into account. Got somebody pumping the tunes coming through, all that good stuff. That's what happens when you stay in a busy neighborhood, but it's all good. Let's see on the little lit meter, I will give these joints about a 4.5 out of 5. Red is my favorite color. Very, very dope. I had to have these. I don't have too many lows, but I got enough. But I think this is one of the doper colorways. So very, very happy to add these to the collection. 4.5 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. Is that too high? Is that too low? That just right? Or was this a shoe that you don't necessarily have to have and you think you might get it a little bit cheaper? So like I said, drop a comment suggestion below. Thanks for all the love and support. Like I said, don't forget to check out the Who Has the Heat page. We got another battle this week. PMKICKZ, versus Soul Love, Cocaine Soul. All right, we're going to be back at it regular time, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be back on schedule this week. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Deuces.